Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add relationship status on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, click on top left profile, scroll down, click on this option, edit public details. Okay, scroll down, tap on this option, details option, and tap on edit. Just click, scroll down, this option relationship, then status. Just click pen option, and this status is single and all status, then single, in relationship, engaged, married, then all status. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.